You cannot have my man. What? Did you hear me? You cannot have my man.
Tina, you do know my name. And excuse you, do you even have a man? No. What do you have what it takes? Are you smart enough to have a man?
Oh, you are smart enough.
Of course
smart
I am.
TV.
Of
You
course
used
I
one.
am.
You were used one. You are senseless.
And that's why you feel pain.
Stay clear, my man.
What
Mirabel.
man? What man? If you feel you're possessed, then just talk to him next time. No, just even smile at him.
Just shut up,
You are
please.
sick.
Both of you are siblings.
Who?
Both of you are siblings.
Did you just speak? Can you hear yourself speak? Are you sick? Are you mad? Who is your sibling?
Agnes.
Who is your sibling?
Sit your ass
Be
down
very careful.
And do not talk on what does not concern you. Do you understand me?
Please, just calm down.
Shut up! Shut up! You. Stay clear from Lucas.
Get that thing off my face.
I am talking to you.
Get that thing off my
Stay
face.
clear, Lucas. I'm not
stay
joking
clear
with
of
you.
him.
I'm not joking with
Stay
you.
off him.
I'm not joking
and
with
if
you.
you think you're so powerful, repeat all the nonsense you've been saying.
Mirabel.
Yes, repeat.
Stay clear, Lucas. I'm not joking with you.
No, you stay clear.
I'm not joking with you.
You stay clear.
Get out.
You stay clear.
Be careful.
No, you be careful.
Be very careful.
You be careful.
I will crush you.
What is going on here? What is it?
I will crush you.
What is it?
I will crush you.
What is going to talk to me? What is happening here?
What is this? Leave me alone.
What's wrong with
My
my
God,
Come and fight me.
Come
and fight me.
Where's a snatcher from the pit of hell? Stay clear, my man.
Shut up your mouth and tell me what's going on here. You can't even get a man.
Do you have a man?
Oh,
who is bloody snatcher?
Oh, please.
Who is bloody snatcher? Who is bloody snatcher?
Look at the towels
You're a
that
fool.
wants a man.
What is wrong with you? How get your man and stop using? Be careful with me. I am not joking with you. I am talking to you and your mother. Talk to her. Talk to her. Stop holding me. Get out.
You think you're the only one that can
clear, my man.
You think you're the only one that can shout?
Stay clear, my man.
What has happened to me?
I'm talking to you. Stay clear, my man.
Ma'am, you know what? You and Dad wasted money. Trust me. Because you just sent that thief, to the university to talk about men.
You are
talking about men.
You are
Mirabel,
Yes.
Mr. Osita said I should inform you that there will be a family meeting at the councillor's house and you are expected to be there.
Is it now?
No, later in the evening.
Do you, by any chance, know why this meeting has been called?
No, I don't.
I'll try.
You don't have to try, you have to be there.
Tax force. I said I will try. Which one is you have to be there? I will try.
No, you don't need to try. You.
Will you drag me there?
I will drag you there.
Oh yeah, come and drag me, let me see.
I will drag you.
What's that? My friend, take your wine.
We even have to start going now, sir, if possible.
Good afternoon, everybody. I sincerely greet you all. We convey this meeting on behalf of Mrs. Ezinne Jacob. In trying to resolve the slight face-off between her two lovely daughters, Tina and Mirabel, which I strongly believe has dragged for too long a time. Councillor, please. I would like to begin.
Go ahead, please.
Thank you very much. Tina, right?
Yes, please.
Good. Can you please tell this noble gathering here what actually happened that led to us all here?
Of course, sir. I have known Lucas since university days. We were classmates and more than just friends. And that is over 12 years now. And then we decided to take it to the next level. We were so in love.
Aggie.
Hello?
Agnes, what's up? How have you been?
I do. I do as you take forget me. Oh.
How is everything over there?
Which matter? You just leave your cousin sister like this. It's not good nah.
How's mommy and that my troublesome sister, Mirabel? How is she? I'm sorry. I had some pressing issues here. And then I'll try and come before this year runs out. Baby, I'm on the phone. I think I have to call you back, like in a minute. Baby, come on. You know, baby, no. You, yes. Baby, you.
Come to Papa.
Tina. How much be your money? What's this? 700. Only 700. I take now, me you give me change. Wow.
Sorry, my love. Tell me where it hurts you. Where? Are you cold?
Yeah, I'm cold.
Sorry, my love. Sorry. I got you some drugs from the pharmacy. You take them, right?
Mm-hmm.
Why? Baby, don't even act like one child now. Okay, you want injections, right?
Mm-hmm.
You're smiling. Please sit up. Let me give you your drugs. Sit up. Sorry. Sit up. Sorry. Baby, you are shivering though. Eh? You are shivering. Wait, just don't worry. Lie back. Wait, let me... What's that? Lucas. I have a... Lucas. Wait. Lucas. Wait. Lucas. Lucas. Wait.
Sorry, I don't mean to scare you.
It's fine. I'm just tensed. It's me.
Where is he?
He's in the ward receiving treatment.
I thought something has happened.
No, I just feel it's the usual, same kind of thing. I don't know.
Have you talked to the doctor?
No, I have not.
Please, are you the one with Lucas?
Yes. Is it a problem?
Not really, but he needs blood transfusion. So I don't know if you...
Yes. It's no problem. I used to do this blood normally. We are compatible. Our blood is compatible.
Oh, okay. So if that's the case, you need to follow me. Right?
Okay. Let's go.
I'm coming.
I should go to...
No, there's no need.
Sorry for keeping you waiting.
It's fine.
So I remember you.
Yes, doctor. I was here 2 weeks ago.
Oh, I remember you now. Is he here right now?
Yes, ma'am. He's in ward 14.
Nurse Esther, please come to my office. Come in. What's his name?
Lucas Lawrence.
Yes, please. Get me the profile of the patients in Ward 14 by name Lucas Lawrence.
Okay, can be fast about it.
What happened?
He fell seriously ill and I rushed to the pharmacy to get him the drugs that the last doctor who treated him prescribed. I got back home to give him the drugs. I was about giving him the drugs when he slumped.
Has he slumped before?
Yes, several times.
Okay. Mr. Lucas is highly anemic.
Yes, I'm aware. I know. Doctor, what? Can it be cured?
Yes, it can. That's if he follows the necessary procedure required.
Is it that bad?
Not really, but it can grow if it stays long. Anemia is a condition in which the body does not have enough healthy blood cell. And blood cell provides oxygen to the body. Just like air is essential to the human body.
Doctor, how can it be reduced?
He has to undergo blood transfusion every now and then, and that's where you come in. Because you have to watch the type of food he eats. His blood group is rare. How do you cope with the blood transfusions?
We have matching blood groups.
Oh, that's good. We'll try our best to make sure he's in good shape while in the hospital. Okay?
Thank you so much, doctor.
So you can be going. If there's any other improvements, I'll let you know.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello?
Hey, big sis. How are you? So you cannot even call somebody again, Abby? Oh, really? For those of us who do not have business going on for us, thank you for reminding me, dearest sister. You know, nothing, sorry. As I was saying, it's, well, your beloved mom just walked in, seated and looking directly at me, and, you know, with all the gestures in the world, I should give her my phone. You know, I just talk to her for someone who will kill me with her eyes. Hold on. Mom, let me have the phone.
No. Hello, my darling Adobe. How are you doing and how is work? Oh, my darling, we thank God. Daddy has been doing okay, and you know, God has been preserving him for us. He just stepped out. But Tina, when are you coming back home? No, I don't want to hear that. Except if you tell me that you have gotten a man that is taking care of you over there. If not, I want you to come back home, please. Now, oh, you don't have a man? Then come back home. I'm not even sure of what you're saying. Are you sure you don't have a man? Okay, that's all right. That's my girl. Please, try to make our time to come back home. Your mom is missing you. What do you think? Don't mind your sister. Bedbug. Yes, take care of you, darling. Bye.
No, don't tell her. I want to talk to her.
What?
Mom, that's my phone. I
Have your
still have
phone.
something to tell her. I was supposed to talk to her.
Do not disturb my daughter.
Oh, I now disturb her.
Yes.
My own sister.
What did you do?
Mom, you disturbed me in this house and no one has stopped you from talking to me. Come on, Mom.
You are my daughter. I am your mother. The last time I checked.
Oh, God. Please deliver me from my mom.
Sorry, okay? Please do take care of him. I'll be going back to the office now. Lucas, I'll see you later.
Take care.
All right.
Baby. How are you now?
I'm okay.
Sorry, you'll be fine, okay? My love, I want to tell you something.
Okay, what is it?
Promise me that you'll not be angry.
Just talk to me, okay? I promise I won't.
I want to go and see my parents this weekend.
It's not a big deal.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it's fine. You can go.
You'll be fine here alone?
If there's any emergency, I'll just call us then. Okay?
Okay. Thank you, baby. For now, just rest. Please, okay? Should I get you water? Are you okay?
I just need a glass of water.
Okay.
Oh my boy, look at who we have here, baby girl. Mommy, look at her name. You're welcome. Thank you, mommy. Thank you. Sit down, sit down. Mommy, where is everybody?
Your daddy's out against my wish.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my God, I have missed you.
I missed you more.
I missed you more. What did you get for me?
Everything.
Hope you brought a lot of goodies.
Of course, I brought everything you want.
So, oh my God. Yes.
And what's that?
I was just doing my duties as the...
Take the box inside and keep
Mom,
the
I'm
bag
just
here.
going to do my duties here.
Can I have the bag, please?
Well, I just wanted to help you. Just keep this in your room.
Thank you.
Sister, keep the bag. Take the bag.
Thank you, mommy. Thank you. You saved me. Everything you're so lazy.
Lazy?
Yes.
This feels like you have a human inside.
All right.
Oh, God. Well, let me just take it upstairs.
Are you? Oh my goodness. Oh, please.
Oh my God.
Say something else. I swear, mommy.
But I can still open this one, though, and take what you brought for me. Yeah.
Don't open anything yet.
Well,
She's upstairs.
it has a password. You can open it.
Okay?
I know all your passwords.
Oh.
Yeah. Think again.
Oh.
I'm the smart one. Remember?
Talking about your daddy before she distracted us. Your daddy went out against my wish, but don't worry, she will soon be here.
You see, life is not an easy road to those who think they know. But you just have to do your best and leave the rest to God. Are you still in the writing business?
Yes, Dad.
That's interesting. So, is it still profitable?
Very, very. It depends on who you work for and how good you are.
A lot has changed in this little talking world. The reason I sent you and your sister to school to get the best of the education that is readily available, so you can be the best. My time is almost over.
Daddy, please, I don't like it when you sound like that. Be very positive, please. Please.
On the affirmative, I am. I just want the best for you and your sister.
Daddy, I understand. Mirabelle, what's she doing now?
Mirabelle. Mirabelle has been scrambling and scampering to take after you. But you see that girl? She's just a woman of her own, and that is what I want her to be. A woman of her own. But she is taking another step. I just wish that now you are here, you will talk some sense into her brain.
And they will.
So what about the free...
Daddy, let me get you water. Daddy, let me get you water.
I will be fine.
Daddy, are you sure you're fine?
I am.
You need water?
No, it's a little bit crisis, but
okay, sorry.
I'll be fine.
Sorry.
All right.
Hey.
I didn't even see you there, sis.
Obviously, how would you see me when you're always on your phone 24/7 with your head bent over? So, of course.
No, it's just, I was just posting on my vlog. Sent.
You have a blog?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, really? And then, you never told me. For how long now?
Well, the thing is, it wasn't easy starting one. You know, I had to go learn a thing or two from somebody, you know, to just know or get a hang of the business. Then I had to pay for a site where I could generate traffic from. And now I'm just trying to settle in, you know. I still need a bit of consistency though. It's not easy.
I see. Anyways, Dad was talking about you yesterday.
Dad, please. Dad is old school. He won't understand.
Yeah, true. You're correct on that.
The thing is, I'm just bidding my time here. Very soon I will have to leave.
I understand. I understand that feeling of you wanting to leave the comfort of your parents, you know, and wanting to go explore. But sweetheart, it is not the way you think it is. Things are hard. It's not the way you think or you feel it's going to be out there. That's the truth.
I'm not going to be here forever. Eventually, I'll definitely leave. Yeah.
Okay, I'm just coming back from Agnes's house.
Okay.
Right, and then she told me something.
What exactly?
What
are you talking about?
Like you don't know?
No.
Okay, fine. She told me that you had a fling or a thing with one guy.
What? Agnes. Oh, cousin. She can't just keep her mouth shut for a second.
Start talking.
No, there's nothing to say because, come on, I didn't have a fling with nobody. No, I can't even see myself having something with anyone from these parts, you know. No.
And why is that?
Because I feel they don't have anything to offer.
Mirabel, do not say that in their presence.
I don't care.
Okay. I'm tired. I just came to see how you're doing, check up on you, and say good night.
Thank you, sis. Good night. I just have to respond to comments on my blog. And
all right.
I'll sleep.
Blogger, well done.
Thank you.
And make sure to go to bed on time.
Just hope your news doesn't just happen to drop on.
I do not care. I love the news. I don't care. I don't care.
Okay.
But do not try it anyway.
Juicy gist coming up. Good night, sis. What's this? What kind of comment is this one? Are you crazy? Please. Oh, shh.
Yes, come in.
Hey bro, what's up?
I'm fine.
How you doing? Yeah, bro, there's something I want us to talk about.
Yeah. Is there any problem?
No, not really.
Okay.
You know that's our uncle's son, Richard, the one that based in UK.
Yes.
He called today, and he was asking how we're doing.
And?
Well, at first I told him we were okay, until he started asking some other questions.
Austin, just go straight to the point.
Okay. He was asking how we're doing here, and I told him that...
Austin, can you just speak?
He asked that we should come and stay with him.
In the UK?
Yes.
Please tell him that we are okay.
No, Austin, just hold on. I told him the many jobs we do here to survive. And he said he's willing to offer us an accommodation if only we are willing to come over.
Austin, I'm not yet ready to leave now. I can't just leave.
No, bro. You have to. Come on. This writing job you're doing here cannot do us good in the future. You really need to reconsider this offer. What are you talking about? See, bro. I know how you say things here. Okay? But we really need to. Just think about it, please. I think I have to leave.
Hey, babe. You. So you are missing me already, really?
I actually do miss you. A whole lot. Oh yeah, I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm in bed already. How is mom and dad? That's fine. There's something I want to talk to you about. So, my uncle told my brother and I to come over to the UK to stay with him.
How? When? No. No! No! Baby, just hold on. Wait. Listen. I'll be coming to Abuja next tomorrow. And then when I come, we'll discuss about it. Do you understand me? Just calm down. Okay? I love you too. How? Mom. Oh, Adani. Yes, where's Dad?
He stepped out the hospital. We'll come back tomorrow morning.
Oh no.
What happened?
I want to tell him that I'm going to Abuja.
What? You just got here. You're barely a week.
Yeah, I know, right? But something urgent just came up.
So there's something cannot wait. Oh, what is this? You just got here.
So when are you leaving?
This evening.
That's soon. This evening? You are not going anywhere this evening. No, don't even tell me that. You are going to leave tomorrow morning.
Mommy, please. I need to go this evening so I can meet up with my plans for tomorrow morning.
I guess nothing I will say will make you stay, right?
Mommy, I promise to come back soon, very soon.
Jesus Christ, son.
Can you stop?
Yeah, you always say you come soon and you never do, so.
Anyways, if you say so, what can I do?
Thank you, Mommy.
Now I'll miss you.
Miss you more.
Mirabel, please go help your sister pack her stuff.
What did you say?
I said, go and help your sister pack her stuff.
Mom, I'm vlogging.
Go help your sister pack her stuff.
Mom, why must I be the one to always help? Please.
This girl is so late.
I'm updating my blog.
Mommy, please, when Daddy gets back, tell him that I left already. But I promise to call him once I get to my destination.
That's all right, he'll hear.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you. I'll miss you more. Okay,
Go
fine.
help her pack. You miss her.
If you don't miss me, help me pack my things. Please. No, I'm not black. Oh, let's go. Okay, that's a tip for that. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I'll kiss you. Mwah. Okay, Mommy, you see. It's a kiss. Okay, thank you.
Your wish is my command.
Immediately. Bye. Mommy, see you later. See you.
Oh, but this always have to do all your chores.
Yes, because for my sister.
So, is it correct to give your sister?
No, a crime is a gift.
Hey!
Yes, you have it.
Tina.
Lucas, you are not leaving me, and that's on period.
Baby.
No. Don't even baby me. There is nothing that you will say now that will make me allow you leave me and go to the UK. It will work. It will never work.
Baby, just calm down or listen to me. I'm only going there to just go and visit my uncle. And, just go and come back. Look, we just want to go visit and get something rolling for myself, for us. Please. Look, literally, you're always with me. I just want to go there and get something rolling for us. Please.
Lucas, leave me alone. Leave me alone. You're not going anywhere. I want you to be with me forever. Don't you understand?
I'm with you forever. I have your blood running through my veins already. You're with me and I'm with you. Look, I just want to go there and get things rolling for us. And I promise I'll be back.
You promise?
I promise. It's okay.
Lucas, please don't leave me. My life will be empty without you. Baby. You are still on the road? You've not gotten to the airport. I love you too. He's supposed to have arrived by now. Happy? Oh. Okay, maybe he has not arrived. Huh. God, please.
Baby, oh baby, I'll be waiting for you. No matter how far you go or where you are, I will wait for you. Baby, can you hear my voice calling? I'll say I will wait for you. No matter how far you go or where you are, I will wait for you. You belong to me, and I belong to you. We belong to each other, and there's no two ways about it. You belong to me, and I belong to you. We belong to each other, and there's no two ways about it. Baby, oh baby, I'll be waiting for you. No matter how far you go or where you are, I will wait for you. Baby, can you hear my voice calling? I'll say I will wait for you.
After trying Lucas number for several months, I decided to go back to my parents' house to get a little comfort. After a while, I left and went back to Abuja, to a different location entirely. And then I was called that my younger sister, Mirabel, was getting engaged. I was so happy. getting home to the greatest shock and surprise of my life. The groom-to-be happened to be Lucas. My man by right.
What right? Is it an inheritance? No, you should have tattooed him on your forehead. Sit there and be saying spin. Stop! What's this?
Respect yourself.
Allow that witch to continue spewing rubbish there. You're not ashamed of yourself. I met Lucas.
You are saying rubbish.
You're the one saying rubbish.
You are speaking gibberish.
You are
rubbish.
stupid.
You are speaking nonsense.
You are stupid.
You are crazy in the head.
Enough of all this.
Enough, please. Can't you two show some sense of decency? And some discipline, please. Are you kids?
Thank you very much, Counselor. We've all heard from the eldest of the daughters, Tina. Back to you, Mr. Lucas, please. Can you tell this noble gathering what happened?
I never intended to leave Tina for so long. I only wanted to travel so I could gain a little favor from my uncle who lived abroad and come back to be with her. But some things changed.
Brother.
Welcome. You guys are welcome. Okay, I'm excited that you guys are here, so I will go straight to the point. This is where both of you are going to be staying.
What? Am I dreaming?
No, this is for real.
You mean this is where my brother and I will be staying for now? Just two of us. Bro, you see this?
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Oh, thank God. It's
Thank you
nothing.
very much.
It's nothing. You know, compared to what your parents did for me, making me the man I am today, it's the least I can do.
You still can't thank you, you know.
Yes. Yes.
It's fine. I just want you guys to know that all this didn't come cheap. So focus on why you're here. Okay? I will introduce you to the business here, and then you guys can start working. But for now, get acquainted with the house, bathe, rest, eat, and if you need anything at all, just let me know.
That's okay.
What kind of business?
Okay, basically, shipping and real estate. We involve ourselves with importation and export of building materials.
Oh, wow.
That's it.
Okay. We promise you we won't let you down.
I know you won't. But I hope none of you have any plans of going home anytime soon.
Actually,
Sorry. I told him about your anemia through the phone before coming.
Oh, yes, that's true. I almost forgot. Okay, I have a doctor friend. Okay? So I'll take you to go see him so you don't need to worry, you'll be fine. Okay?
Yes.
So you know what? Let me show you guys around. Come on.
Austin.
Yeah, bro.
Please, can you help me try Tina's number?
It won't go even if I try.
Just try it now. I've been trying it. It's not going through here.
So you don't believe me, right? Okay, fine. You see? Not going.
How did I then contact her and let her know that we're going here safe?
Guy, calm down. You bother too much.
Why would you say I bother too much? I mean, this is my fiancé we're talking about, though. This is someone that's been with me through thick and thin. And you're telling me I bother too much. Why shouldn't I bother?
Guy, all I'm saying is that we've got a fresh start here in the UK. We don't even know what we're going to face in the future. But though I know that it's going to be better than what we face in Nigeria, you have to calm down.
So are you saying I should forget about Tina?
No, that's not what I'm saying. All I'm saying is that you have to calm down and let life handle the rest. Look, if you guys are meant to see each other once more, definitely you will see her someday. But for now, you need to relax. Let us focus on why we're here.
I need to find a way to contact Tina.
Oh, really? Okay. Good luck, guy.
There's something important I want to discuss with you.
Okay.
But first, how was the operation?
So I feel better.
Okay. If you feel dizzy or anything in any way, please let me know.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. I had a talk earlier with Austin, and he told me that you have a relationship back in Nigeria. Is that so?
Yeah.
And the girl in question is indispensable to you.
Yeah, she is. I mean, if not for her, I wouldn't be alive till now. Yeah. She kept donating blood for me.
I understand. Believe me, I do. Oh, that's good. Where does she live?
She lived with me in my apartment back then in Nigeria.
Okay. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. You will give me the location of your apartment back in Nigeria. Then I'll send someone to go check up on her. If that's okay.
That's really okay. Thank you very much. Thank you.
What about Austin? Where is she?
I think he stepped out. He should be back anytime soon.
Okay. I'll just go inside.
Austin, have you cross-checked all the shipping logs?
Well, I did some.
You did some? Is that what you're going to tell Richard? You did some?
Fine. I will do it.
I need to go back.
Back to where?
I need to go back to Nigeria.
Lucas, what is wrong with you? Wait, is UK that bad?
Austin, you would not understand.
Then make me understand.
I need to go back. I need to see Tina, even if it's a glimpse of her.
Lucas, Richard had the apartment searched many times, no sign of her. And he has been trying to search for Tina. And it's already 2 years. Aren't you tired?
I need to find her. I just need to find her.
Guy, you need to wake up.
So you really want to go to Nigeria?
Yes.
If I may ask, what's the aim? Why?
I need to go in search of Tina. I need to find her.
Well, I thought I had someone check up on her in Nigeria, at the house you told me about, but she wasn't found there.
Well, I would like to go confirm for myself.
You really do love her, don't you?
Of course I do.
And you're willing to risk anything for her. Okay. I'll give you 3 months to go in search of her. After that, I'm bringing you back to the UK.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
So, what happens when you find her?
Well, fate decide.
Like, you don't know what to do from there.
Okay, that's enough.
Huh?
Let him find her first. I believe we can take it up from there. Okay?
It's difficult all the way, all the way. It's void of solutions, like a difficult puzzle. It's difficult all the way, all the way. No one deserves to be hurt, and no one wanna let go. It's a terrible situation, with so much sacrifice. Yeah, it's a critical situation. Lots of sacrifice.
I had already stayed in Abuja for 2 months searching for her, for any clue at all. But then I remembered that she told me her hometown was in Anambra State. So I decided to go to Anambra State and search for her in hope of finding her sometime soon before my 3 months will elapse.
It's difficult all the way, all the way. It's void of solutions, like a difficult puzzle. It's difficult all the way, all the way. No one deserves to be hurt, and no one wanna let go. It's a terrible situation, with so much sacrifice. Yeah, it's a critical situation. Lots of sacrifice. Yeah.
This is harassment.
You already heard the young lady. She said you should leave her alone.
Bros, who you dey talk to? What be that? You dey crazy. So,
Can you just leave me the hell alone?
Can you just leave her alone? Did you hear her? She said no.
you a nigga. Come on, bros. What be your own? Wait till concern for this matter. I said they took your matter everything. See, guy, back well, oh, with your baby like evil forest. I go change your color. What be that now? Wait till concern for here. At the top of my girl, you the big mouth.
Anyways, I'll have you arrested for harassment if you don't leave this young woman alone.